FERRY VATT group of companies. Advanced materials R&D, process technologies and industrial equipment in ready-to-run business. Who we are? Kazan. FERRY VATT. Production facility 2,500 square meters. Development of vacuum technique and technologies. Innopolis. Special economic zone. FERRY VATT manufacturing. Extra 7,500 square meters under construction. Tomsk. Laboratory 23. R&D and pilot production. New business lines. Mini technologies. Machinery and robot solutions. Miftahi vacuum. Vacuum electronics and components. We offer. We develop advanced materials and technologies. We turn them into next-generation equipment. We combine equipment and technology into a ready-to-run business. Everyday applications, reflective coatings, wear-resistant coatings, interior and exterior decorative coatings, optical coatings, and microelectronics technologies. Aerospace composite materials, electroheating and thermal barrier coatings. Smart glass, smart home sensors, 3D architectural structures, interior decorative coatings, strategic and special applications, power industry, protective coatings for nuclear power plants, composite wind blades, solar panels technologies, marine composites forming technologies, corrosion protective coatings, aerospace materials and technologies, space and component testing, trusted by leading customers. New challenge? We ferry innovation from idea to a ready-to-run business. FERRY VATT. Materialize the Matter.